Today we are replacing the reverse light bulbs on a second generation Honda Pilot. Start by lifting the rear hatch so you can access the two bolts that hold the light in place. With the bolts removed, the taillights are only held in by two ball retainers, so pull backward to remove the light assembly. The lowest socket in this row of three will contain the reverse light bulb. Rotate it about 45 degrees and you will either feel or hear it unlock. Wearing gloves, remove the old bulb by pulling it out, and then insert the new bulb. If you are putting in an LED, you will have to check for polarity. With the bulb securely in place, put the socket back into the housing and then rotate it clockwise until it comes to a stop. Now you can put the assembly back by lining up the pins with the retainer holes on the car. Once you have it lined up, you should be able to push it into place and it'll stay put for you to put the bolts in. Those bolts don't need to be super tight, just get them tight enough so the light stays put. That taillight assembly is made out of plastic, so it can break if you tighten it too much. And with that, you're all done. Hopefully that made working on your car just a little bit easier. While I've got you here, I invite you to check out some of my other videos. I've got a lot of other stuff for the Honda Pilot, and I've got a bunch of educational stuff about how cars work in general. At any rate, thanks for watching.